Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the world of organic farming, its incredible benefits, and the pioneers who made it possible. Let's dive in. So, what is organic farming? Simply means, it's a method of growing crops and raising livestock without using synthetic fertilizer, pesticide, or genetically modified organisms. Benefits of organic farming. Organic farming offers numerous benefits, including improved soil health and biodiversity, increased crop yields and better nutrition, reduced water pollution and conservation, enhanced ecosystem services and climate change mitigation, better human health and well-being. Father of organic farming. Meet Sir Albert Howard, the father of organic farming. He pioneered the concept of organic farming in the early 20th century, emphasizing the importance of soil health and natural methods.
Thanks for watching. Join us next time as we explore more eco-friendly practices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sustainable living content.